Okay, just doing a little update here. We've got our higher low formed on gold instead of a lower low, so now it's a case of seeing whether we hold this weekly level, hold above it. If we hold above this level here that I've got gold, I think we're we're bullish, and if we close below it today, then we're heading for a potential continuation lower. All right, we'll try again. So it's not gonna change, is it? I found the I found my internet or my trading view. I'm not sure which one. One of them's been terrible. Alright, so we're doing it in the browser because outside of the browser doesn't seem to want to work. The app is a bit terrible in terms of reliability. Working on the browser is just better. Right, so I've got this range here marked out, the value area high and low of this, the range from here to here, which is the one that I'm most interested in at the moment. And then I've got and what we've done here is we formed a low, broken this low, tapped the key level, responded from that, created a high that's still a lower high from the range high, and then we've got a higher low here, and if this higher low holds, then that's a good sign. And then we've got on the weekly, we've got a key level here, which is what I've marked up in yellow. My yellow boxes here are the key weekly levels. So I've got this one here. As you can see, it's the gap between these two bearish candles here, which is what changed the state of delivery into a bearish one on the weekly time frame. So if we close above this level today, ending this week above here, then I consider that pretty bullish. We've bounced essentially off the 4,500 level. This is the value area low of the higher time frame range that I'm interested in as well. The value area high being the close of this bullish candle here as well. And I've got these several little smaller consolidation ranges profiles that you can see the lines for, just not the actual profile itself, the value area and the POC. And then this is the POC here of the current profile that I'm looking at, which is a smaller range, and this is likely the consolidation we're going to get in this range before the news later this afternoon. So I think this is a range I'm looking at. And my stop loss, yeah, you can see I've already marked that up. My stop loss for my current position is here, which is a good trade in itself. I'm holding because I think that if we close above here and we continue, there's no reason why we won't see higher like the next weekly level tested. So that's the trade. As I said on one of my previous videos or previous streams, I did take this trade as well, and looking for the same move. We've hit the same key level for the second time, and had a response from it, so I've traded that as well. And now we've got the range value area high here, and then and a key level, and that's a key level on the 4-hour or the daily, which is this bit here. And then above that we've got this level here, and then this level here, and then past that we're really looking at a continuation into new territory. And then tonight I'll have a look at the COT report and see where we're at in terms of the relative positioning for institutions, because obviously when price tumbled here hard and very fast, that was a big reduction in position size for institutions as well. They really started taking off their exposure. And then here as well, you could argue that we're looking at head and shoulders here for a continuation lower, which is fine. I'm just going to wait for next week to take those trades if necessary. So yeah.